President wa kiama kia mawakiri LSK-INI orete unyitaniri na anyiti itemi matiganite ruhonge-ini rwa wendia wa ng'ondu na manyumba itemi-ini ria kumatha kihonye kia mihinga irigumeire ruhonge ruru. Akiaria kigomano-ini giki kia oro mwaka kia ngwataniro ya endia a ng'ondu na UIKARO Faith ITHIAMBO arauga unyitaniri ucio noguo ungiteithiriria gutura mawatho ma kunyihia ciiko cia gukungiria a Kenya wara thogora-ini ino.
We're already seeing the various challenges that are there in the industry, complaints in the Ministry of Lands about corruption, about inefficiencies, and about the constant challenges not only at the land registries but also approvals from the ministries and from the various county governments as well.
Arakinyiriria bata wa giikaro gatagati-ini ka anyiti itemi aya na ministry ya migunda niguo gukurana kihumo kia macira maria makoretwo makiyumiria ma ene migunda kwirwo taito ciao iria mahetwo miaka ya hau gabere ni ya ngungo.
We need to sit with the ministry and ask what was the thought process behind it, and those that we find the process that it undertook to be flawed, then we challenge the same under the court so that there can be some level of transparency and accountability. And also those who have invested in those properties don't merely lose them without there being a proper analysis. We've seen courts now saying you have to do proper due diligence, and due diligence not just in the old sense of the word, but you need to do as much deep analysis of all these projects, all these properties before putting your money, because we've seen people losing their land that irrespective of the fact that it's been bought by how many people, if it was public land and it was fraudulently changed hands, it doesn't matter how many buyers for value.
Murugamo uyu noguo wa muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya RESA Dagitari Crispus Wachira uria uteterithitie bata wa anyiti itemi aya gutabania thogori ya waragania. Arauga ona unyitaniri na mathorofea na acori a manyumba gatagati-ini ka anyiti atemi age ni njira ingi ya gutigirira waragania ni waneka kuri aguri.
Tutiraruta wira uyu turi ithwiki thiini wa sector no ni turabatara andu angi, ni turabatara mawakiri, ni turabatara mainjinia, ni turabatara andu othe masavea, andu acio othe, na turenda tumere ithui turi arutithania wira hamwe nao, na koguo ni tunyitanirire.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa muikariri giti ngwataniro-ini ino ya RESA Abigail Zue na Gikonyo arathingata atumia kuiyukia thogori ya ng'ondu na UIKARO akiuga riu unduire hamwe na watho wa bururi ni uretikiria atumia megwatire utonga.
Ona watho ni ura recognize atumia ta andu mangi own property gina in succession. Ni turona atumia they are very protected within the law. Gina in matrimonial property riu ni turona atumia makiro ni watho no muhaka approve financial contribution ya indo ona mugitingana na muthuri kana muthuri wako angikua. Koguo ona twi haha ta atumia aria in the real estate industry ni tura encourage atumia mamenye no muhaka marute mbeca muhuko mambe kugura properties ici na mamenye ri watho ni ucenjetie.
Hindi ya kigomano kiu nake thorofe ya kigathi wa Kionywe ni ataririe makinya maria ngwataniro ino ihotete gutacokia ari gucokia mwihoko kuri aigithia. Ngiribotera ceceni ya KAMEME TV itagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.